So we received another question. Hey Michael, why do I need a payment gateway? So a payment gateway is essential for any web shop to be able to accept payments because we process the online transaction. So ensuring that the transaction is secure, that the data is encrypted. Remember, this is sensitive data such as credit card information that is being transmitted. Having a known payment gateway as Billwerk Plus helps you build the trust with your customers. Payment gateways allows you to accept global transactions. So by accepting cards, you're able to accept cards no matter where these cards were issued. Payment gateways also give you an option to support various other payment methods. Of course, credit cards, debit card, alternative payments such as digital wallets allows you to appear as a local when going into a new market. Payment gateways also have incorporated, a lot of us have incorporated fraud prevention measures, making sure that you can limit your risk of fraudulent transactions. Linked to the entire secure transaction is compliance. So payment gateways have to comply with PCI DSS. So that's the payment card industry's data security standard. So it's really important for you as a merchant to verify and get your provider to show you their AOC, so their attestation of certification. This is the proof that you are with a payment gateway that is compliant. The payment gateway is also the ones that integrate to various e-commerce platforms. It could be Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, or other platforms. You'll find the list on our website of which gateways, commerce platforms we connect to. So it is a crucial role that the payment gateway plays.